Now we are getting a reaction from the Congress party. KC Venugopal of the Congress party has in fact posted on social media platform X that there is a clear danger to the people's mandate in Jammu and Kashmir. The INC-NC alliance is on the way to a historic victory, but the BJP is not ready to digest the democratic verdict and is planning to subvert this through any and all means available at its disposal. So that's a very, very strong charge coming in from KC Venugopal of the Congress party. Let me go back to Yavar, who continues to be with us at this point in time for more on this. Okay, we'll go to Yavar in just a bit, but this is the reaction coming in from KC Venugopal of the Congress party. He has put out this post on social media platform X. He says, "We are vigilant to all the dirty tricks of the BJP and will not let them hijack our democracy." He's also gone on to say the misuse of institutions and the centre's powers to alter the mandate will not be tolerated. Let's shift our focus now